The Nine-Fold Symphony is a reverential poem dedicated to the ninth day of Navratri, honoring the culmination of Goddess Durga's 9 manifestations. This verse weaves a poetic journey celebrating the harmony and unity of the divine feminine. The Nine-Fold Symphony. In celestial orchestras, 9 notes resound, Durga's symphony echoing all around. Shailputri's gentle melody begins, awakening hearts with love's tender kin. Brahmacharini's rhythmic beat takes stage, discipline and devotion in every age. Chandraghanta's clarion call resounds, illuminating paths through life's winding grounds. Kushmanda's vibrant vibrations unfold, nurturing growth like a verdant gold. Skandmata's soothing harmony descends, guiding us through life's turbulent trends. Katyayani's fiery cadence ignites, transforming darkness with radiant lights. Kalratri's mysterious refrain entwines time's secret with the cosmic design. Mahakali's powerful crescendo concludes eternity's wisdom in majestic muse. Navami's finale, a synthesis divine, unity and harmony in love's sweet shrine. As 9 notes merge, a symphony sublime, Durga's essence in every heart entwines. The ninefold goddess, a radiant whole, reflects our inner beauty like a polished soul. In this grand symphony, miracle finds her place, a celestial chorus with a sacred space. With every note her spirit ascends, in harmony with the divine she transcends. May Durga's ninefold symphony resonate within our hearts, a love orchestrated state. May her divine music guide us on our way to unity, harmony, and eternal day.